Most people think AI assistant just answer FAQs. But what if your AI assistant could actually act like a loan advisor, understanding income, EMIs, property budget, and eligibility? Before I show you how to build this AI loan advisor, let's test it with a real customer. So here right now, I am on my WhatsApp and my number is connected to this AI loan advisor. Now, as soon as I sent message as hi, I earn 50,000 per month and I am planning to buy my first home. Do you think I might qualify for a home loan? Now watch this. Instead of giving a specific generic answer, the AI starts asking intelligent qualifying questions to understand the customer's profile before making any recommendations. Moving forward, I am going to reply to the AI assistant by sending a message, no EMIs. Now, because the AI assistant understands the context of the conversation, it does not repeat the same question. Instead, it intelligently moves to the next step and asks about my approximate property budget. This is exactly how a real loan advisor would work. And once I shared my budget, it will ask about my employment type. Next, it says that great, being salaried can enhance your chances of qualifying for a home loan. And could you please let me know if you have any specific lenders in mind or if you'd like to explore options from the various lenders. Let's say I send a message, I don't have any specific lender in mind. Which banks would you generally recommend for first-time home buyers? And then you will see it respond to me like this while suggesting me multiple types of banks. So not only these, this assistant is going to be answer all the queries that will come from your clients, and it works for you 24/7 even when you are sleeping. So in this tutorial, we are going to design an exact WhatsApp AI assistant for the loan advisors without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Now, why Pabbly Chatflow? Because Pabbly Chatflow allows you to create a AI-powered WhatsApp assistant for your different type of businesses. And not only assistant, you can also create a chatbots, WhatsApp broadcast marketing, and much more. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you like this tool and you also want to automate your business on WhatsApp, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this WhatsApp AI assistant. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. As we are creating a WhatsApp AI assistant, so I am going in this AI assistant feature. See, here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. I have already created some AI assistant before. For creating a new one, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. Next, give your AI assistant a descriptive name that I give as AI loan advisor for WhatsApp. Next, click on this button. See, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now, this right here is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting the instructions type as AI agent, but you can select anyone according to your choice. Now, as soon as I can select the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these instructions if you want to. Now the next one is temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. You can increase and decrease the temperature from here. I have set the temperature to 0.5. Moving forward, here you need to select the model provider that I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, you have to select the AI model variant. It will provide you multiple types of variant. Here I am selecting GPT-4o mini. Now the next is asking you for the API token. So for getting this token, you have to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. See, here I have successfully come on my OpenAI API keys page. Now for generating this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project type from here, provide permission and click on this create secret key button. See, I got my API key. For generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you have to click on this connect button. See, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with multiple options. If you want to add any header or footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter in this box. I am not adding. And if you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word in this field. Stop keywords works like this. For example, you have entered the word in this field as stop, and the client will send exact that keyword while communicating your loan advisor AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So this is how stop keywords work. Next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. Now the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. I have entered this fallback message, but you can customize it based on your company or organization. Moving forward to the knowledge source. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this tutorial, we are going to create an AI assistant specially for loan advisors. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file looked like. I have given the assistant name as Loan Guide AI, and it is used for banking, loans and financial services industry. The main goal of this AI assistant is to help customers understand loan options, estimate eligibility, compare loan type, answer financing questions and qualify leads before connecting them with a loan specialist. I have added all the information inside this knowledge base file that guides my AI assistant to gives accurate replies to my user's query. It plays an important role because it works like a brain for your AI assistant. So create this file carefully and make sure to add each and everything related to your business inside it. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other platform by the help of which you can create a text or the PDF formatted file, because the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Before uploading a knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and then simply upload a file from your gallery. See, here I have uploaded. Next I'm clicking on this upload files button, selecting the same file from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your AI assistant. See, the uploaded file is visible here too. Now the next one is assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering a heading as Smart Finance Advisors. As you can see, as soon as I can change the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, I am replacing the subheading with Get Guidance on Home Loans, Personal Loans, EMIs and eligibility. And I am also changing the initial message too. Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label, that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. And the footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added one footer link. And the user first message I have entered as I need help. You can replace it if you want to. Now the setup of our AI assistant interface is completed. Moving forward is the styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shapes. See, just like this. You can change the colors and make it more attractive. After this, enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active and click on the Save AI Assistant button. That's it. You have successfully created a WhatsApp AI assistant for your loan advisor. Here the another button is Embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites as well. When you click on this button, it will give you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy the code and paste it inside your website code, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your websites too. So not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After creating this, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. Now I am going to set this AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. When you scroll down, you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here that you would like to set the AI assistant, and select the AI assistant from this drop down. Next, click on the Save AI Assistant button. See, it says that inbox settings saved successfully. So this is how easily you can assign the AI assistant to all of your contacts. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. You can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Now the creation and the setup of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant and train them using your own business knowledge base. It works for your business 24/7, give instant replies to your users, solves their queries without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.